be wonderful if we knew that we could make kind of desserts that go right from the ingredients to the blender, to the pan, in the oven, and we knew that it's so good for us, we can have our cake and eat it too, knowing that it is contributing to our health. Or to learn to use our simple steamer, steam our vegetables, and in a matter of few minutes make the most amazing sauces in our blender and make the whole dish into a gourmet vegetable dish. Or using this amazingly nutrient-rich vegetables and ingredients that we have, add them to a blender and make the most amazing, nourishing and rejuvenating smoothies daily. Whatever you're in the mood to eat, I have designed this course to make recipes simple, efficient, fast and delicious. So ladies, at this time of our lives when we're going through the transition to menopause, we know that our bodies need to rejuvenate and to renew, and we need to make some changes in the kind of food that we eat. Our metabolism for sure has changed. Our body's composition and hormonal levels have changed. So we gotta make some shifts in our lives, and I found this modified keto for menopause is the best way, hands down, to go. We can lose the weight that we want, we can gain all of the energy and vitality that we need to get our hormones balanced and get our bodies again sensitive to insulin, to blood sugar, make us really keep the health that we want to keep for life, keep our blood pressure under control, keep our cholesterol profile the best that it has ever been, and keep us energized and happy and content with life. So the ketogenic diet has to be something that it is modified for us, for our changing hormones and for our changing metabolism. So I have done that change here in this course. All the menus and all the recipes are keto based, and there are plenty of delicious and amazing food to enjoy, and I can't wait to show you how this wonderful whole menu is put together in a matter of minutes. So making it healthy and making it quick is the name of the game. Thank you for checking out this course, and I cannot wait to see you on the other side.